Hi friends, I am Tilak. You're watching Tech May Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to insert a combo chart on your Microsoft Excel web on your computer. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So how to insert a combo chart on your Microsoft Excel web on your computer. So first of all, select the data. Here I just had some data here about the notebook and sheet. So select the data value first and click on the insert option. Then here you will see option called charts, and here you can see option called combo. So here there will be a three option. So one is the clustered column and column clustered with line and secondary axis, and this is a stop area. So you just click here and it will automatically provide the data. So now you will say, if you are clicking on the chart, you will see an option called chart on the top, or right click here, you can see a lot of format option. You will see click on this format option, which actually opens the chart on the sidewise. So here you can see a data and also format option. So if you want to change the color theme of this, you just click on the color first and you will see a full color here. So you can just change the color like black, or this color can be changed to yellow, and this color can be changed to something like purple. So this is how we just change it. And here you can change the outline too if you just need it. And here if you just want to have a label, the series name or category, you can see it's automatically updated here. And you can also change the font. You have a full customization option on this. So this is how you just insert the combo chart on your Microsoft Excel web on your computer. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe to this channel. We will meet our next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech May Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.